Welcome back. On today's quick video, I wanted to go over something that just drove me crazy. I was working in an Excel spreadsheet, and for whatever reason, it just wasn't working. So let me show you what I found. Here's an Excel spreadsheet, and what I'm trying to do is calculate the quantity multiplied by the cost and coming up with a total. And if you look at these numbers, some of them make sense and others don't. So generally, when you come into an Excel formula, you'll take this number here, whatever you're trying to multiply by the other, and the formula is equals sum, and then you type I2 for this cell times J2 for this cell, and it returns a number that should be accurate. And in this case, 8 times 250 is $2,000. Great. If you come over here, then the next thing is you hover your mouse over this little sign, this little box let me show you this little box over here on the right lower side, and you just carry it down. And you see that it carries down $2,000 for each of these items. Well, 0.85 times 250 is not $2,000. 1.17 times 250 is not $2,000. So what in the world is going on? After doing a whole bunch of research, I found out that someone at Microsoft, in their infinite wisdom, decided that they wanted to make this a little bit more user-friendly, I suppose. So what you need to do is come up here to the Formulas tab. After you come to the Formulas tab, you come over to Calculation Options. You click this drop down, and it has automatic except for data tables, and manual. Well, for anyone who just doesn't want Excel to work, I guess you can select manual, and it'll just carry the numbers down. So it won't actually do what you're trying to get it to do. If you change it to automatic, everything fixes. So here's what you end up with if you use manual. You carry this down all the way through, and you'll notice every single one of these is 2,000. Well, down here I've got a total that's supposed to be tallying up the sum of K2 through K31, and it's clearly not working either because nothing changed. But if I come up here to automatic, all of a sudden everything tallies. So I hope this has been helpful to you. I'm not sure why Microsoft would do something like this, especially when it just kind of does it automatically sometimes, but this will fix the issue. So hope this is helpful. If it is, give us a like down below. If you'd like to see this type of content and other odd stuff, just kind of stuff we end up doing, consider subscribing to the channel. And if you know someone this may benefit, please do share. Thanks for being here. We'll see you on the next one.